Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be showing you guys how I get my curly hair to pop. Okay, so like my wig curly hair routine, and I will be showing you guys how to get this look. Okay, but I did not want to talk in this tutorial because I pretty much do the same stuff for the most part. The products will be linked down in the description box, as well as the links to this hair. So all you have to do is go down there and look at the products that I used. And yeah, because this is like a really simple look. I only used one eyeshadow and I did some wing liner, lashes, and a lip. Okay, so yeah, this is not going to be a talking video, so just know, if you thought I was going to explain everything I'm doing, that's not what this video is. So yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get right into it.
we're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comments that you have down below. Also, I want to let you guys know, if I don't see you again before the New Year's and Christmas, I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas holiday season. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holiday season and Happy New Year. Let's just try to bring the new year in of 2019 very positive vibes. You know, let's just be happy, you guys. There's so much negativity in this world. It's disgusting. So yeah, that's like one of my biggest New Year's resolutions that I'm starting now, is to be more positive, to get rid of all the negative stuff that's like on social media for me, whether it's like following these blogs and stuff. Like sometimes you just have to not see it, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to check out the makeup products that I use down below in the description box, as well as the links to this hair. And yeah, I will see you guys. You'll ruin somebody's video like that. Did you just send me to voicemail? I did. Okay, yes, so make sure you check out the makeup products and the hair links down below in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.